I always knew that New Brunswick is where I was meant to be. I just didn't know who I was set to be yet. The people from New Brunswick. There's just nothing that compares. This place will always feel like home to me. Hi, so I'm Chanelle, and I'm the proud owner of Farm to Table New Brunswick. Farm to Table New Brunswick helps to bring local foods and ingredients and highlight local farmers from the area back to the dining table. It's so unfortunate that people don't get to see how the food grows. So I thought I'd love to be able to create something that would bring people on the farm and then connect with the farmers that way. So I ended up deciding to try to host a dinner on the farm. The moment that will be etched in my mind forever was at that first dinner that I hosted and seeing like everyone sat at the table having fun, laughing, and seeing it from like an outside perspective. It really made me realize that being able to support local is super important to me. It was just such a like goosebump moment. It awoke something in me some way, somehow, and it was like, okay, yeah, like this is what I'm meant to do. We do have a lot to offer here, and I think that's why to be able to highlight and feature places where I grew, to the Maritimes, Canada, to the world, I think about it all the time. If I have an idea and I have something in my mind and I want to make it happen, one way or another, I'll make it happen. I had always had the vision of what I wanted to do, but I feel like I was missing the tools to be able to get there. I decided to come to NBCC to take the Culinary Art Management program. I really wanted to learn more basic skills to kind of build on the business that I had already been building. And NBCC gave me so much more than that.
Hi, my name is Emmanuel Charretier. I'm a chef instructor at NBCC Moncton. So my favorite thing here at NBCC is being around students and of course sharing my passion about cooking. I think the best thing for the students here at NBCC is to learn about all the basics, skills that you need to have to work in the food business. Chanelle is the best example.
I remember being so scared.
I think all of the students are scared of me at first.
But like in the second year, you were my favorite teacher. No, just because you took your work so seriously.
Because I'm here, to help you to start your career.
One of the things that I loved so much about it when we had the chance to go foraging with you, and then the trip for fishing the mackerel.
Yes, and
that was very fun.
But always, using local ingredients.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think you're well known for that.
Before I started the program at NBCC, when I had the chance to work on local farms, that's where I really got the passion to support, source out, and also feature local farms, because farmers are such hard workers and don't get the recognition they deserve. It's really fun for me to be able to create experiences and to be able to highlight the local farmers that we have, because we have so many great ones.
So are you saying that your 2 years here at NBCC is part of your success too?
About 100%. Yeah. Well, yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So we did our job actually.
Yes.
This is what we want.
It really pushed me to be more creative with my cooking and, work on my time management in my organization.
You are a success story.
Oh, but that's so kind. Thank you.
No, but I mean it.
Probably the most beautiful thing that I learned while I was here was that I really got to learn to trust myself and to become more confident in my craft, leaving NBCC, feeling like, okay, you know what, I was able to do this while I was at NBCC, why can't I do it once I'm out? In January, I started working at Brix Experience.
So you enjoy teaching?
Yes,
Oh,
yeah,
great.
yeah, I love it. Thank you so much for being here tonight. The theme of the class is From Orchard to Table.
My name is Eric Eppinger. I'm the Operations Director at Brix Experience. Now, Brix is just such a unique fusion of so many different outlets. This is a stage, and it's a stage that we benefit from having as many as our local producers and suppliers be a part of. And obviously, we have a great team to help execute that. Chef Chanelle supports the positive experience in so many ways. I mean, just her passion and her approach is doing such a great job with our youth content, developing the next generation of chefs. We got really lucky.
To be able to find a place of work where I get to teach full time, like, this is the dream. With centimeter inches, no, it's like what, like a half inch? We all have this common, goal of being able to educate your community and just create a fun environment for everyone. We want people to be able to step into the kitchen and feel at ease. Cooking should be something that is available and accessible to everyone. It's such important work for me.
She was doing this in her own world. Her kind of creating that farm to table experience and us being able to bring that into Brix has been just really special.
For me, there's that big education portion, because if I'm not talking about it, people won't know. In both my Brix classes and my farm to table dinners, a huge part of it all is talking about where all the items are sourced and why, the menu was created the way that it is with the local ingredients that we're using and the different farmers and makers we were able to support. That's the whole goal for why I do what I do. Letting people know, the benefits and the beauty of sourcing locally, of supporting local, and kind of getting to see the beauty that New Brunswick has to offer. You don't have to leave New Brunswick to find what you're looking for. Being able to, as a person, but also as a business owner, really see it in a different light. Being able to forge deeper connection with people in my community and be able to empower each other has been one of my favorite things so far.
My name is Margot Gaudette, and I'm the owner of Maidenhill Farm. Today we have a farm-to-table event with Chef Chanelle Belliveau. She was looking for a space, a small, intimate space. She wanted it to be one big table, the food, shared plates, all of that. I love her vision. I love the events that she can dream up. She's fun to work with. We're almost like sisters now. And from there, it just sort of exploded.
After having curated the menus, after having cooked the food and looking back down at the plate, it's really telling the story of the place that we're from. It's showcasing the culture, it's showcasing my heritage as an Acadian woman and how preparing all of those little things helps to uplift everyone in the area. It's not how far you go, but how deeply you stay. From New Brunswick, for New Brunswick, this is home. It's been such a journey. I'm definitely proud of what I've created, the opportunities that I've had since I started.
What did you just say? Chanelle's cooking makes me eat things that I don't like, and I love it. Whatever she does to her food is amazing.
New Brunswick is where my friends are, my family, my community, my life. It's where I found my dream. I get to do what I love here every single day. This is where my heart is.